Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, guys. At the moment I am here in near the petrol station, near the KFC here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. I stopped here because I checked my mail. I realized that I have something to pick up, to collect at the Australia Post Office. But today is Saturday, so they are closed. And I am again day off today. The time is running really fast. I feel like I was just day off like a couple of days ago. Actually, I work for 4 days. And now I am again going back to Newcastle. I need to go back to Newcastle to get... Oh, it slides again the drawer. I forgot to close, to lock. I need to go to Newcastle to do laundry and to get something. The air pump. Air pump for Inigo, because tomorrow we are going for camping, and Inigo said he bought a airbed from Kmart, and that airbed needs a pump. And we are here in Newcastle Beach in particular. A little bit raining. There are 2 surfers over that side. It's a mess inside because I collected all my laundry from my locker. I'm going to eat this quarter pounder from McDonald's. I went to McDonald's last night after working out. I bought cheeseburger meal, but with free quarter pounder, just $7. A little bit more in the microwave. Not good. This is not good anymore. I mean, I can really notice the difference when it was freshly made and now. I know it is cold outside, so I need to wear this shirt, jumper. I need to wear this also. Oh, the video quality of this is not good. There is a wind noise for sure, because this camera doesn't have the windbreaker. That area, that beach is Nobis Beach. We're coming from up there in the car park, and this is the ocean bath. This ocean bath is basically a swimming pool. There is a lap pool. And I think this is a normal swimming pool. I mean, the bottom is concrete, not sand, because on the other side is the sand one. And there are some people in here, of course, swimming. Actually, let's go to the side. There is a sitting area. This is how it is. Actually, looks like the bottom is sand. I can see it. It is sand, and I think the water is actually coming from the sea. And there is this sitting area. And there are few people that are swimming despite of the cold temperature. This is the rock pool. And then on this side there is again another like a picnic area, picnic tables. And there is the car park. There is also this shower, but aside from this, there is one big shower over there, as in big shower with different cubicle for toilet and for showers. There is a volleyball court here, 2 of them. We are now here in this area. Basically, eating area. There is a coffee shop on that side, a cafe, but they are closed already. And there is one restaurant at the back. They are drinking, so we're not going through there. Instead, going through here. You can see my van. It's over there. It's big compared to the rest. Another thing, last time that I went here, yeah, they are doing kind of also, yeah, improvements. And look at this sand, lots of skids mark. Oh, until now it's closed. Yeah, they are building another establishment, another restaurant for sure. Before there is a skateboard rink on that side. No more, I think. We're not going there. We're going back to the car. Okay, the Google Map said there's a grocery over there. Oh yeah, this is the one. Yeah, Foodworks. Foodworks is one of the small groceries. Mostly it is located in different regional areas. Nothing that I really like, so I'm just going to get this one. I'm still going to the other grocery. I was trying to pay, but my card is declined 3 times. I tried 3 times. I don't know why. I don't know if my card is going to work. I'm not getting ice cream anymore. Okay, that's it. I'm going now to the laundry shop. We are 6.1 kilometers away to the laundromat. Mayfield laundromat. Yeah, we are now here in the house of Inigo. Sleeping bag, everything, he has everything. But let me show you the scrambler. There is a scrambler here in the garage. Ducati scrambler. So this is the motorcycle of Inigo. He said every night he drives, yeah, in the road. Yeah. Ducati, I think it's very expensive. He cook a lot of food. Yo, it was very hectic. We are now in the highway.
Ay, taga lang.
Here in Singleton.
Vlog mo raw.
Selfie mo na lang. Hala, wala si
Ba't ako?
Arthur.
Ba't
Ikaw
ako?
daw ang magbibideo.
kami.
Makakilala.
Ikaw, sa'yo to eh. Hi guys.
Dadami haters mo.
May mga kasama kami.
Grabe naman focus mo.
Hindi ko naman, hindi ah. Ayan o. May doggy.
Sa inyo na sis. Ano? Kami ka na? Kami na to. Tara na.
Hello sa vlog. Shout out kay Sisi. Pang ihaw po yan. Pang mga nahuli natin manok.
Oh, and you know what? When I was put a fuel, I basically went to that one down there. Yeah, and when I was using the nozzle, it's actually bigger than the usual one, so it doesn't really fit on the hull of this van. Yeah. And then I realized that this one is actually just for truck and other vans and 4-wheel drives. My vehicle is supposed to be on the upper side. Okay, we are going again. We are with Earl and Arthur. And Inigo is building his tent now.
Ay, bago tripod mo, Robin.
Hindi lumatong, bigat lang kaya hindi nagagamit.
Robby, vlog mo ako.
Ayun na nga, nakatutok na nga ang camera sa'yo.
Sorry naman.
This is the tent of Earl. This is big actually, look at that.
Hello. Pwede mo nga rin sa'yo eh.
Oo nga.
Para puro kilusan lang sa ilalim mo.
And this is how it is. Oh, it's a lot of space here. Nabubuksan yung pati yung kabilang bintana dun? Oh,
Yes.
ano?
Lahat
Ng bintana, ganda. And if you look to the other side, that's the $5 tent of Inigo. This is the $5 tent.
$5. You know why? Because I'm so frugal and thrifty.
Oh.
Gagalaw, hindi na magagalaw, di ba? Dito ko makikita. Uy!
Ano parang dito sa inyo kaya tulog? Malamig.
Hindi sinasabi ko sa'yo, di ba?
Ano ba yan?
Atong lugar na ito hindi ito malamig, promise. So pinuntahan namin mas malamig.
Pagising mo, nandun ka sa tubig.
Hindi mo lutang ito.
Oo, yung kaibigan namin nila rin ginawa ko.